right off of opening is moving across the floor together with some paseos. So we would have 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Follow is in open position, and we're going to move together. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So I think the easiest open paseo to give us the feel for what's happening is if we switch to a right-to-right connection with the lead's hand. So if we are going to go from opening, we would have 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. We are now open social position. The leads, if we want to signify that we're going to move together, we can take a step forward with our right foot on 8, and we're just going to walk together. 2, 3, and we're going to switch the right hand, and if you see what that did, it changed the angle of the follow so that now she's got this path in front of me. My left shoulder is pointing the way that the follow is going to be walking. So we want to make sure that we maintain the frame in order to make that happen. We're going to bring them across 6, 7, 8, support the shoulder. Leads can take the little cheat step on 8. We're going to continue to go forward. 2, 3, right here. If we don't keep the frame, the follow's not going to feel any real direction. So we have to make sure we keep that presence in the chest. And when we open up, it's going to change the angle of the follow. So I want to make sure I point my left shoulder to where the follow is going to be going. And I want to showcase the follow walking, so I don't want to step this way or this way. Just right in place and bring them 6, 7, and we open up on 8. We can do any variety of open paseo in terms of the hands, but we have to keep those same principles. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, point the shoulder. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8.